Thank you for trying Weave and welcome to Weave in 30 days. Let's take a closer look at projects. Log into Weave and click the Projects tab on the left and add a new project by clicking the green plus. Name your project Team Improvement. Click your project to finish setting it up. Just select the blue cube, the Add a Framework option, and search for Kanban in the search bar. Pick the Speedboat plus Kanban framework that appears in your search results. And now you've added this framework to your project. Next, schedule the forum with your team by clicking the Schedule button, which looks like a calendar. Name the forum and select the date and time that you want to hold this forum. Then click the People and Access tab to add your team to the invitation. Add your participants. Click Save and Close, and scroll down to the bottom of this last screen to find the join URL that you'll want to add to your calendar invitation. Now you can see the scheduled forum in your upcoming Forums tab. When you're ready to start the forum, just click the green Join Forum button and start the forum at the desired time by clicking the small Start Forum button at the top right of the lobby. As your team members join, you can see them pop up at the bottom. Use the magnifying glass to zoom into the image and start by explaining the metaphorical framework to your team members. The boat represents your team. Propellers are used to show what is working well, and anchors show problems. The deeper the anchor, the worse the problem. They can add items by dragging them onto the image from the pool of available items on the right, or they can just double-click on the canvas. Once your team is finished identifying strengths and problems, move the canvas to the Kanban board and make decisions together about what impactful action should be taken to begin to address the identified issues. Select the Regions tab, which is right under your name in the upper right of the canvas. Use this tab to see or adjust the areas on the framework that have specific meaning. Here you can see that I've highlighted the really bad section under impediments. Any anchors that appear in this region are coded that way on the List tab and in the Excel download. Consider other goals your team may have. I like to use the Scrum Team Structure Framework to help ensure that we are all aligned on roles and working agreements, as a lack of alignment is often one of the causes of poor team performance. Thank you for listening. Our next email will show you the power of galas.